Alright, this is the SIGR sp2022. It's a CO2 pistol. The CO2 is in the magazine. You have to use an Allen wrench that comes with to get the CO2 out. It holds about 12-15 rounds. The magazine's pretty heavy. The gun itself is light. It's a light but hard plastic. The safety is right there. Flip it up. Mag release. Just press it. Comes out. Trigger. The slide doesn't slide back. The hammer goes back, but shoots about 380 to 400 FPS. It has a hop up, but I don't know how to get to it. Has the bottom rail for flashlight, laser, whatever you want. I got it at Academy for about $50. And now we're gonna do a shooting test. Shooting that root beer bottle or can. Alright, let's go see what it did. It went through there and came out there. Shoots pretty good. We were shooting at this can earlier, but that's what we just did. That one's from earlier. That one's from earlier. That dent's from earlier. That's from earlier. That's our video.